Yamcha, Tien! Goku is still...
This is a clear abduction alert. Please listen carefully as the Kentucky County Sheriff's Department needs your help. At approximately 12:23 p.m. the Kentucky County Sheriff's Department received a call from an Isaiah Nick stating a man was following him in the Quincy campgrounds and was in immediate danger. Isaiah Nick has not been found since. Isaiah Nick is a 23-year-old white male. He is approximately 5 feet 8 inches tall and weighs approximately 180 pounds with brown eyes, black long hair and a beard. He was last seen wearing a Hawaiian shirt, khaki cargo shorts. The suspect is still unknown and it is not advised to go within 3 miles of the Quincy campgrounds in Kentucky, Ohio alone and unarmed.